Shit, what's that sound, cuz? Like a rattling kind of thing. Ah, yeah. Alright, chat. Welcome to day, I believe. Today is day. What do we have, chat? Chat, we are back again after a W day yesterday. I just have to recap because yesterday we did close in a profit. Let me just show you guys. Yesterday's trade, as some of you guys know if you were watching, yesterday's trade, it did go I was in the trade for a long time. I believe it was this one or the one before. Let me have a look. Oh no, yesterday's trade was fine. The day before, I had to recap day 16. Day 16, just to recap, the recap on day 16 here. Day 16, the trade went for 7 hours. From here to here, 7 hours. I closed it out right here, about here at the end. Trading for 7 hours and 27 minutes. As you can see here, means 446 minutes. Anyways, so today's session, we are looking to take a pro trend continuation at this, I guess, protected high on the internal 15 minute. I'll show you real quick. So as we look, let's just start out having a look at the 4 hour. You see price is bullish here. Okay, price is bullish. 4 hour price is bullish. However, internally in this channel, in this range, price is making a continuation down. I guess we have the bullish break, and then we're in the internal bearish momentum here. It could easily continue going up, but today we are looking to take a short to follow the lower time frame continuation. Following the recent sort of change of character, we've come back into this sort of POI, point of interest level. We swept through this one, we swept through the point of interest in the one below. So realistically, that's the official sort of, I guess, one, we could look at this as an FBOS model potentially on the 15 minutes. So if we take that, okay, and then we sort of use this one here as an FBOS. Technically, this could be a play for a long, realistically speaking, from there to there, which is still valid. Honestly, that is a valid play. FBOS is kind of choppy. It does fit the high time frame bias, which is bullish on the 4 hour. But look, I am not looking to take that trade. One, because the trade is going to take me ages. And then two, I'm just going to stick with the following low time frame continuation trends at the moment. Okay, so what do we have here? We have a bit of a choppy price action. I'm just going to try and find the most relative break of structure. As you can see, break of structure here. I'm creating this sort of bearish. We have this protected low, which also had this protected high. Okay. So the low, protected high, okay, and then price broke it here, so that makes this one the break of structure, and the most relative protected high moving forward would be this one here. So this trade actually is an internal protected high setup, which would be this line here, which is a slightly lower probability, which is why I might be considering to do lower risk. Okay, so we've got the protected low, breaker structure, internal protected high with the breaker, the low here. Okay, so just to tidy this one up a little bit, on the 15 minute, there we go. We can see this a bit clearer. Breaker structure, protected high, protected low, breaker structure here. Or if we want to say that this respected it, then we can go long. Or it could be a long move. But yeah, if we just sit and, you know, try and think strategically speaking. I was looking at price down here, but there was no valid entry model. Usually I would wait for a double bottom with inducement. However, this I wouldn't call this inducement really. So alternatively, if price does come one more time to sweep this, if price comes down here, like if it doesn't move up and then comes back down to sweep this, and there's a rejection here, I will gladly take the long here. Okay, so two biases, short and long, and that's what we're doing today. I'm not gonna foam it in here. You know, it is a sort of. I'm not gonna foam it in here. It is a bit of a kind of choppy area. I don't want to take the risk. I want to make it sure it's either this. Look, honestly speaking, realistically, I should wait. I should long here. I mean, I should short from here in this protected structure area. Because lately my protected structure internal ones have been losing, so I'm gonna stick to external, or I can take the double bottom, 3-minute double bottom with inducement, rejection trade. Okay, so that's where we are. We're sitting at, you know, we're sitting at almost an hour after the New York Stock Exchange open. This is where we're sitting at today. $2,000 up for the week. After a couple of choppy weeks, we've been pretty consistent recently, which is good. So as you can see here, that's where we're sitting, okay, for our day 18. So that's where we are. What is Saturday today? Yeah, Sunday. We shall see if there is a trade. Now, what is the goal? What is the focus for today? The 30th. Take one protected setup. Protected structure setup, a strong structure, not internal with confirmation. Okay, there we go, not internal. So that is the goal for today, chat. So if we are paying attention to this, I'm not looking to take the 3-minute. Well, probable trade is the 15-minute. Now, the strong protected structures are over here, up here, and down here. So that is all I'm going to be taking. And also, we've got some pretty good inducement. I actually like all this inducement here to swipe and take up some of this liquidity up here. So I think that is what we're going to do. Put a sell order there, and then a potential long here. So that's what we're doing. We're just going to sit and wait for this to sort of play out. That is pretty much it. Okay. Okay. Well, that's crazy. We're gonna mix it up a bit today. Instead of Naruto, we're gonna do just anime lo-fi. Classic. I hit this one a few times.
You know that our customers are right.
And yeah, let's just give this one a whirl.
Google pay-per-click is one of them.
Oh yeah. on to
Tôi ôm con chó.
tôi ôm con chó. That shit.
Ôm.
I hug the dog. Hug.
Ôm.
Ôm.
Anh ấy đồng ý hôn.
Anh ấy đồng ý hôn. He agrees. What's hôn?
Hôn.
To kiss. To kiss. Oh my days. Anh ấy đồng ý hôn. Hôn. Kiss.
Hôn.
Hôn.
Tôi hôn con mèo của tôi.
Tôi hôn con mèo của tôi. I kiss my cat.
Tôi không thử thách bạn.
Tôi không thử thách bạn. I do not thách bạn. Challenge you. Thách. Challenge.
Thử thách.
Thử thách.
Người phụ nữ thử thách tôi.
Người phụ nữ thử thách
Tôi.
tôi.
Người phụ nữ thử thách tôi.
Women challenge me. The woman challenges me.
Anh ấy thảo luận với tôi.
Anh ấy thảo luận với tôi. He was thảo luận has a discussion with me. Your cat is white. Con mèo của bạn màu trắng. Ê. Thái shit. Thảo luận.
Chúng tôi giao tiếp với họ.
Chúng tôi giao tiếp với họ. What do you think, Jane?
Giao.
Yo. We communicate with them. Because we do now with
Bởi vì.
Yep.
Ôm. Hoặc. Giao tiếp.
Giao tiếp.
Người Việt Nam thích giao tiếp. Người Việt Nam giao tiếp. Người Việt Nam thích giao tiếp.
Giao tiếp. Vietnamese people like success.
Thích.
Giao tiếp. How to communicate. Giao tiếp. Because
Bởi vì.
kiss hôn.
Hôn.
10 produce sản xuất try cố gắng.
Chúng tôi
We watch television and have a discussion. Chúng tôi xem TV và have a discussion. Maybe thảo luận. Yeah. Do you know how to communicate?
Bạn có biết giao tiếp không?
Last one. We allow you to have a discussion.
Chúng tôi.
We. That's allow. What's allow? And this one. For flip. Jaw flip. Who's jaw flip?
Cho phép.
We allow you. Chúng tôi cho phép bạn. We allow you to have a discussion. What is discussion? Luan. Thảo luận. There it is. Oh, it's fucking cold. Oh, I'm just starting to get chilly. Yep. gas? Oh, that shit was a stimulator. No, no. Alright, should we go with the sack or what? You already in bed. Alright. I'll run one CSGO game by myself. Hey, y'all hit the snag. How's that? Literally, I'm at fucking like 8,000 something. You honestly hate to see it. You wanna play a game? Oh, I'm at 9,193 now. Good, yes. Oh. Okay, Jaden. Oh, he knocked out. No, no, no. Yes, yes, yes. No, no, no. Derby. Honestly, but again, you feel me? Bruh. Oh, I actually have 3 more cases. Oh my. Should I unlock the last 3 cases or what? Yeah, alright with it. Okay, that is true. Yeah, that's no cap. Stimulus check. Stimulus check. I was waiting for your ass, Jaden. Ah.
Punch.
Oh. Damn.
Hell. I'd rather play a fucking A-round to play this shit.
Oh.
Oh, so we're getting on that.
Oh, look at the time.
Ah.
Wow. Just to butter me up again. Dude.
Legit. Just for you to play with Jack Black. I see him. Jack Black and a couple of Family Guy members in there too. Oh, this gotta be high elo.
Okay.
Oh, he's fine. He's on fire. Oh,
Run that shit back up. I mean, well, headshots only. Here we go, here we go, here we go. I'm getting this, I'm getting this. Oh!
okay.
Oh.
Oh,
Okay, Jay, no warm what, bro? This is some light elo fucking gaming. We're doing light elo gaming here. Bro. Gotta put some respect on it.
Oh, we let you look at it.
Respect. To line it up.
Who's not connected?
Literally. Yeah, I guess they're bottom. Okay. But today I had some really rough games, man. I was top fragging in a couple games, and we just got pounded in the end. Pretty hard. Pretty sad, actually. Now I know what Kenta feels like, though, when he's fucking gaming, and me and you are just anchors. Frustrating. What? Just for the L, oh my days. So
Like who? Us?
that
Could never could be us.
Don't make me pull out the match history.
Could never be us.
One for the road. Dang. Oh, you connected?
Bang, 4v5.
Wait. Wait. He didn't connect, but we still. Okay, I'll take that.
Let's pause it. We can pause it.
Oh, yeah. Alright, chat, I'm gonna take a short in here. Chat, if price comes up back here, I'm taking a short. We've just had sort of this lower time frame order change of character. As you can see, it's sort of been respecting these highs after this part. We swept this previous internal high, and we've swept it again, and we're starting to make lower lows. So I'm gonna set a sell limit here. Yeah, this is technically this is a strong protected. We are following our focus for today, which is one protected structure set up at a strong structure with confirmation. So we've got the confirmation at the protected structure on a 3 minute though, which is obviously slightly lower than less than ideal, but we'll take something like that. If it comes back up, if it not, I'm not stressed. I don't really need to force this trade. Because as you can see, it's struggling to put it and break out this kind of section, so we can target this point of interest here. If price does choose to come up and tap us in, if not, no stress. It is what it is. Okay. Right, insane. Don't watch the game, Jaden. This is hard to watch. We didn't even get the plan. Oh my days, can you do it? Oh my days.
Wait, it's Minecraft Steve.
Ace.
Hey.
Oh my days. He's 5,250. Okay, he's smurfing, bro.
Nah, he's not Smurf. He is.
Profile's private. Alright, I'll take that.
Yeah, you deserve it, honestly.
Tight one guy. Yeah, he's going straight for the AK with the whole fit. Match is set to freeze. Oh, they didn't like that.
Oh, he toggling now.
Yeah. One stairs.
Toggle, toggle, toggle.
Whoa.
Yeah, what a spot.
Yeah, legit.
See it, Brandy. See it. Jump shots.
Oh!
Oh.
Nice one, CT. You hate to see it. Oh!
Oh.
I think it's Oh my
Oh, he's
God.
pushing it.
Yeah, tagged his ass.
Oh, it's another one of those games, Brandy. All damage, no kills.
Yeah. Literally, it's gonna pull up. What are you guys doing tomorrow, man?
Oh, watch Sinners, bro.
No way! I'm coming, bro. I'm canceling my plans.
Yeah.
Now we could.
Oh. Yeah, get him, Phil. Get him. Yeah, I'll think about booking in 10 a.m. sessions tomorrow.
Oh, you booking that in? Me too, man.
Oh
See
yeah.
you there, bro.
I'm gonna be sleeping early these days on the weekend, huh?
Yeah, it gets so goddamn cold. What's the point? Staying up.
Yeah, true shit.
I'm watching 2 more rounds and I'm out of here, Brandy. Okay.
I'm gonna get his ass this time.
Okay.
Still there. Oh, I'm getting his ass.
Well, not CT. You get his ass.
Right there. Oh, ready? There. Oh,
Yep.
there.
Oh.
There.
Oh. Oh.
Oh my days. I didn't even tag
Oh.
16. Oh,
You hit him?
yeah, I tagged him 16 damage.
26.
Actually, no, back
Yeah,
at it.
26.
Oh, yeah, 26.
Mhm.
Oh, wow. So it's 5-4.
I think you get peak mid. Get that guy in the window with an AK.
Yeah.
Switch it up, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, it's 45. Actually. I don't know. You need to switch it up.
Literally.
Yeah, do what you gotta do to get the points, Kurt.
Might just keep running A curve. I'll show you new smoke. Check this
Oh,
one
I'm taking
out.
notes.
So you want to do
Yeah, line up the flowers. Yeah.
this one, and you come out
Yeah.
to around there. Bang.
Yeah.
Check this one out.
Where's that go?
Top of stairs, but it comes down and drapes. It should drape down into a little bit of that corner.
Is it out yet?
Yeah. Watch, you'll see it.
Let's have a look.
Oh, ooh.
Oh, I'm taking notes, man. I got you. Kurt. You want the smoke or connector? Makes sense.
I can do the connector smoke.
Yeah, you did it right there.
Hey, it's free. No way. Right, no way. Oh my god. Right. Literally call A free. Insane.
Oh, are they rich? Okay, Peter Griffin.
Oh. Oh my god, I suck. Oh my.
Who joined in to see that? Oh, that's crazy.
That's actually insane.
No.
Damn, A was literally free, bro. I told him as well. You hate to see it.
Okay, he's stealing your
No,
smokes.
he's fucking begging. He's doing the begs. Team kill once per round, please. Bro, if I had money, I'd show you the smoke again properly, but fucking... I was left with 250 in the bank. You hate to see it. Alright, here we go, Jaden. I'm locking in here. Bang, bang, bang. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Bang, bang. Con. Stairs. Oh my days. Bro, what is this guy green doing? Oh my days. Oh my. Oh well. I guess the kit and oh, you hate to see it. Oh, he's back as well.
Oh.
Okay. Bot Fry Gaming, dude. Let me hit this smoke, Jaden. Watch, I'll do it properly. Here we go. Oh, it's a bit too far out. Just a little bit out there.
Alright, line it up, line it up.
Like that. Watch this shit, watch this shit. Bang! See that?
Hey,
It's
there you
the
go.
stairs. Give me an AK car. I move! Planet. Ah, I suck at this game, bro. 1 CT. AK on my body. Oh my. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna sleep.
No,
Good
one
night,
more
good
round,
luck.
one more round,
No,
one more round.
that's it. That's all I had to see.
Dang.
No, one more round, one more round.
You don't even watch it, you're in bed.
No, no, no.
Try to stay warm.
One more, and I'm going, Jay. I'm
Yeah,
trust,
yeah, yeah.
trust.
Let me get that.
Alright, let Blind AK, give him a chance. You're right.
Yeah.
Let him show you something good before we sleep.
Yes, bro.
Alright, watch. I'll get a good smoke for you.
Show me the A line. The window smoke.
Window.
Yeah. Get on that bid, get on top of that bid.
No, right here is good.
Oh, okay. You're not free balling, right?
Hold on, let me think. Not there, not there. Where was it? I'm trying to think. Wait, it's somewhere here.
Hey, quick, man, they need the smoke.
Not there, was it? Not there, is it?
Right
I think it's there. Is that one?
Right there.
I think that's connector.
Oh, that shit going to the moon. Let's have a look where it lands.
Oh.
Don't throw a flash. Oh.
Flash, bro. Hey, Johnson.
Yes!
Ooh, damn.
Ooh! The steamy check. Well, look at that. That's
Yeah,
actually good.
it's because he smoked connector. They got.
Literally, that's actually pretty good. Hey, that's a good call, Will Kirk. Come on, man.
Yeah, no worries, bro. I got you.
I don't even
Yeah.
know what the fuck I was doing on foot.
Doesn't know what he's doing when it works. Oh.
Oh! Okay, now one more round, Jay. One more round. Just to see if the
Oh,
momentum's going. You feel
Oh,
me?
yeah. I think that's so good note.
Oh, okay.
What the?
Okay. Yeah, I hate to see
Good
that.
note. Good luck.
One more console.
Yeah, one more Cosmo. That was pretty good. That was a good lineup. What was it? The second tier? I can't remember.
Yeah.
That was actually a good lineup. Let's see if I can run it back. Because there was two rushing it, Jay. Let me see your shit. Here we go. This one here? This corner here? Yeah, run that shit.
Yeah.
And you know what? Just to throw them off a little bit. A little something on the side. I'm going peek. Uh-oh. I'm peeking. What? Oh! Too mid. Oh, and he peeks it. Oh. Okay, Jay. Good night.
Oh no. Oh no.
Good night, Jay.
Go crumbling apart, bro.
Oh my god, bro. Our aim is so shit tonight.
Simple. Okay. The Jack Black.
Literally.
We smoke it.
Where's he hiding? What are you doing hiding behind? He's in that little corner there.
Oh, he's AFK. He's AFK.
Nah, he's not.
Yeah.
He's literally gaming, bro. Banger, I'll be fresh. Uh-oh, 26 seconds. Uh-oh, okay. I'm sweating. Oh!
Oh.
Yeah, I hate to see it. Oh,
He's
the
AFK.
bomb lord. Bro, how did we get the smoke before and it didn't? Was it the middle one? Am
I think you jumped. But I don't think you should do it. Did you jump for the last time?
Yeah, I jump smoke all of them.
Oh, I think it's the middle one. I think you do on the left. You gotta do the middle one. Go quick.
Right. Let me run that. Oh, he's gone there. Okay, so there's the middle one right there, yeah?
Yeah, that one.
Hey, that's my smoke. Ain't that my ball? Hey, let's have a look. What? What the fuck happened, bro? What do we do? Was that our smoke anyway in the beginning? Was it?
Oh, go cross. Throw the bomb.
Yeah, take that shit.
Okay.
Be clear. Be clear. Jiggle. Oh! Has to be jiggling that. Yeah, I'm not crossing that way. Ooh.
Okay.
Steve, right?
Minecraft.
Yeah. Hey, how to? Okay, not bad.
Alright, let's see it.
Yeah, I need the snag. Alright, well, let me get one more smoke.
One more.
Why did they time out? Tell them some shoes. Oh.
Oh.
Wait, what are all these? XP overloads. How do you get this?
So when you know how you do the weekly drops?
Yeah.
It's how many times it's claimed them. How many weeks in a row they've claimed it.
Oh, okay.
So you can tell how people been playing a lot.
Okay. There's a
Go.
I just smoked off jungle. That was my smoke. That's pretty good. Oh!
Oh. Thanks for the orca.
Coming out now? Yeah.
Glenn Quagmire, MVP. Glenn Quag.
Tiny Tina Wonderland type shit.
Tiny Tina Wonderland. Alright guys, I'm gonna sleep. Good night everyone.
Good night, Kurt. See you tomorrow.
Okay, Jews in the club.
Oh my days.
Jesus Christ. Go to sleep, Jews. Go to sleep, buddy. Good night, you. Bye bye. Oh, we in the bathroom.
Oh.
Hey. Stupid cunt. Stupid monkey. Stupid
Le
Korean.
monk.
Le monkey. Hey, he got his dancing shoes on.
Oh,
Hey.
you tell me about y'all see the shoes?
Y'all see the money.
No.
So upset. Pick up one foot. They swallow when I'm spitting, bruh. Yeah, big ups, dude. Big ups. Hey. Oh my god. Oh my
Alright then, Kerr. Put on the stimulus check. Push it out, Kerr. Push it out. I'll see sinners which another time will look.
Good night, my king. Hope you win the game.
Thank you, Yari. Yari does it.
Dang.
One
dang.
palace.
Palace.
The orb. Palace with the orb. Oh my god, this guy's tweaking. Okay. Yeah, he's palace. Oh my god. Alright, chat. Well, what are we looking at now? So, chat, I'm looking at a bounce off the 0.786 fib on the second leg. You know, we are looking at some failed to break this. Swept it, come up, but it also failed to hit that. So I'm looking for price to come and sweep. Well, I'm looking for price to come and sweep this before continuing up, and it might just range for a bit, realistically speaking. So it might hit that before going up. That's the plan. As you can see, price is really failing to fall. $5. $5. Looks like price retraced off of the 50%, bounced off the 50% Fibonacci level. One more bottom mid. or bottom mid. Price looks to be respecting that 0.5 fib pretty well. You can see here, bounced off the 0.5 fib. The second leg that made the impulse. You know me, we don't take that one, we take the next higher low. Which is actually, this is really good. This is really good. If it comes up, I can finally look at taking a protected high, a protected structure set up here. Oh. I have been looking, take a short there if there's confirmation, or short here. Thank the Lord. Two apps. Two top mid with the all. One short, one short. Two short. B side. B, B, B. One market. Alright chat, I'm back to the bias of, depending on how this plays out, longing at this 7.86. This is what I'm looking at, depending on how price plays out here. A lot of choppiness, a lot of indecision going on. What's this the latest 30-minute candle saying? One short. One con. Both two con, two con. Last connector. Right, chat, what is going on? Fever case. Alright chat, I'm just gonna quickly swap this over to the game. Alright, I'm just gonna do one quick unboxing. Here we go chat. Unbox this fever case to open. Keep. See what we get. Alright. Yep, not a problem. Kilowatt case. Can get a cookery knife. Oh my days. Alright, should we unbox this? Oh. Guess we're gaming. Back to the stream chat. Honestly chat, I think the market is kind of just dying at the moment. It's kind of quiet, isn't it? Like this, I can see this continuing coming down to maybe this point of interest here today. So if anything, I might take a short all the way into a lower area, maybe like down here. I'm looking for shorts. The reason I'm looking for shorts is lower time frame trend continuations. So if I'm looking for short, what am I doing this long? I'm looking for maybe one long at this zone here. It does come into this zone here. I'll take a 10 point limit, small limit buy there on the challenges on the funded accounts, and it will probably be to TP around 50% of this even smaller leg here, something like that. Yep, we shall see. Ow. I'm waiting for price to come into the zone here. It's slowly chopping off, slowly falling down. I think it's enough to convince me that I can take a small trade here. Literally from this fib to this fib, but we can assume through it. Okay, I might have missed it, chat. Oh, I might have missed it. Just by hair, we'll see. That could be the wrong one. It could come down here a bit more. Might bring this down just a bit so that this stop loss covers the bottom. Yeah, I like that. Alright. One's in long doors. Bro, do you have no crosshair? That's crazy. Oh my days. Chat, I don't know what I'm doing. I keep trying to force this trade here. I think I'm getting a bit of FOMO. To be honest with you, like I don't need to be trying to force nothing. My goal for today was to take one protected structure setup trade, a strong structure. So it looks like I am waiting for the short here. I mean the long from here. Alright chat, I'm taking a counter trend 1 minute trade here. Yep, I'm taking a counter trend 1 minute trade here on the 1 minute internal structure. Very tight. We've got let's come down just a little bit more so I can sweep that. I'm going to target for up here. Should be a tight stop loss. What we have is we got the double, this will form the double bottom with the inducement, and it's that protected structure. So that's a pretty high value trade for me. Bottom mid. Yo, what's good chat? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Test, test, yep, awesome. So, yeah, we are taking this counter trend trade at this 1 minute protected low. There's a few factors. I've chosen this protected low because it coincides with the 0.786 Fibonacci. Okay, we've formed also a double bottom on the lower time frame with the inducement, as you can see. And yeah, those are just two main confluences. I generally see reversals after, like at the 0.786 fib level, and we just so happen to be at that level on the 3 minute here. So if I show you first confluence, okay, so well, first and foremost, we failed to put in a this leg here did fail to put in a new internal high, which made it weak. So price did come, but we reacted off the 0.786 fib level quite on the dot, as you can see there. I didn't take the initial long, as you saw earlier in the stream. I didn't take the initial long because I wanted to wait for some confirmation. And as we can see, there's been a sort of a movement from that area with a reversal, and then later it came up and swept this fair value gap at the top, and then eventually came ahead and created that double bottom with inducement. So that's sort of what I'm looking at. And yes, I'm just going to take this trade moving forward. targeting that area above. So that is essentially it. I might be able to target the end of the fair value gap or the protected high here. So realistically speaking, this sweep is quite common from what I see in terms of reversals. So we have a impulse, and then it comes reverse to 0.786, and then it continues up. This is usually the one that I see that breaks the leg, to be honest. So yeah, it could be the move here. I'm gonna have a break even. I'll move to break even once it hits that. Okay. And yeah. So it looks pretty good, chat. After it hits this break even, I might take half of my position off just to play it safe. Value gap. It is starting to reverse, but look, I've been super impatient all day, and sorry, I've been super patient. I've been feeling a bit edgy, but the goal was to stick to my focus for today, which is to take a protected structure setup. As you can see, focus for today, take one protected structure setup at a strong structure with confirmation, not internal. Now this is a 1 minute break of structure, so yeah, classify it as you will, but for me, realistically speaking, I'm quite happy with this trade here, as we can have a look on the high time frame as well. It does look like the 15-minute is sort of making that reversal candle, so I'm quite content with what we've got here. Don't really want to be playing around too much. And as price starts to pick up a bit of volume, we'll just keep an eye on it, because it is quite hairy on the 30-minute. Let's have a look on the 1 hour. As you can see, chop, 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 chop. And look, honestly, you can keep going down, but in my opinion, I've seen these a few times, and I have seen them sort of be that reversal pattern. Also, the 4 hour, honestly, I feel like the 4 hour doesn't really want to. I mean, this is quite bullish. Having this bottom here is a massive, as you can see, generally after this 4 hour, we have a strong shoot up. This 4 hour, no wick. But it could be different in this trade here, who knows. We haven't hit that area yet where I want to sort of move to break even, so I'm sticking to it. I'll keep it as is. Look, I'm still fine with this trade, realistically speaking. Four on site. Let's try. Okay, guys. guys. Sorry about that. I was in a game of CSGO. Probably not the greatest. I wasn't focused up. Now, trading has my undivided attention. Volume is starting to pick up a little bit. Looking a little bit choppy. Play a bit safe with the stop loss. Worst case scenario, something freaking spikes and weeks me out. You know, I'm just gonna take some off the table here. No, not yet. Not just yet. Does come back to this area, I actually might scale in a little bit more because I'll scale another maybe 3. Yeah, kind of like the look of this. This one has failed internally to break that. Still want to see a price come to here. I'll be okay with taking this off the table. We just want a small scale, but keep this. I'll just trim it off as it comes up. Six seconds for this candle closure. Is that the question? Is this bearish candle closure? To be honest, it does look kind of bearish. Oh, 30-minute. Is that a bearish? No, this is a bullish candle on the 30-minute, but obviously we're 15 minutes away from the close. So 1 second till this 15-minute closes. Okay. Price should make a bottom wick before heading up. Price is sort of trending down. Should I do some reading? Should I do some reading, chat? I want to do some reading. I'll let this trade to play out. Yeah, look, this could be bearish. It could wick me out here. Could be bearish. I'm just gonna keep this here in case. That is a shame. I probably should have taken profit off the table. Probably should have taken profit off the table. But it's not really sticking to a plan, you know. If I take profit early, then you know my statistics will be a bit going a bit off, but you know, it's tough to say. Didn't really. I mean, I could have taken profit earlier. I'll review that one later. Look, I think it was an okay trade. Followed my rules in the sense. Look, I'm happy. I followed my rules. I was going to take profit here, but in hindsight, it might have been better taking some off the table, maybe. But I didn't want to focus on the P&L too much. I wanted to focus more on the risk to reward. So, yeah, it's okay trade. Overall, we finished up for the week. Finish up for the week, and that's all that matters. So that's a good session in my opinion. I stuck to my rules. I took a one protected structure setup at strong structure with confirmation. So we did exactly that. Stuck to our rules. Maybe I could work on the profit taking. I mean, as I was looking back and zooming out, I noticed that this sort of channel was sort of building out here, and it's continuously going down. And so maybe look, as you can see that trend line. You know, this was forming here, so it's being respected. I should have, in hindsight, maybe I would have taken profit or something when as it came up here, but oh well. Yep, that's today's trade. I think there was bits of me thinking, oh, maybe the greed of like, you know, getting somewhere up here would be nice, but I think that was a bit of greed in my mind. So today's loss reason, I'm going to say, is due to maybe greed or TP incorrect. So yeah, we were definitely in the money there for a bit. So oh well, moving on to next. I'll see you on Monday, chat.